Well, and there are a lot of events unfolding already in Uganda ahead of the political season, which is about to start, and some already started. Is the legal team of the opposition politician, Dr. Besigye, have arrived. They are led by Kenya's Martha Karua and members of the People's Front of Freedom, that is PFF. They have arrived at the Uganda Prisons Service headquarters in Kampala to meet with the Commissioner General of Uganda Prison Service, that is Johnson Biabasaija. They are demanding the release of Dr. Besigye and his aide, Haji Obeid Mutale. Following the Supreme Court ruling on the 31st of January, which stated that civilians should not be tried in the military court. So this is the event which is happening, and you need to check that out so quick.
I think not the ones where we are. Yeah, I have it. That's why I'm trying. I hope you the press team will remain down. The press team will remain down. The press will remain down, please. No, seriously. The space is small.
During a press briefing by the legal team led by Arias Lukwago, they had clearly shown and also revealed the interest of visiting this general so that they express and also make sure that Besigye is released in accordance or in adherence to the ruling by the Supreme Court. So this is the event unfolding. We don't know what will lead to, but information coming so indicate that security have been deployed at the General Court Martial, and also maybe deployment will also go straight to the side of the prison due to speculation of a possible demonstration. Thank you.